That sounds like a fantastic way to put a twist on a classic. Most people stick to just chicken, but adding ham brings a salty, smoky depth that plays really well with the acidity of the tomatoes and the heat of the peppers. It's basically the ultimate fridge-clearing comfort food. Here is a straightforward, delicious recipe for smoky ham and chicken tortilla soup. Ingredients, category items. The proteins: 2 cups shredded cooked chicken, 1 cup diced smoked ham. The base: 1 onion, diced, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 bell pepper, diced. Liquid and body: 6 cups chicken broth, 1 can, 14 oz, fire roasted diced tomatoes, 1 can black beans, rinsed. Flavor boosters: TBSP chili powder, 1 TSP cumin, 1 TSP smoked paprika, salt, pepper to taste. The crunched tortilla strips or crushed chips. Instructions: sauté the aromatics. In a large pot, heat a splash of oil over medium heat. Toss in your onion, bell pepper, and diced ham. Sautéing the ham early helps render a bit of the fat and intensifies the smoky flavor. Cook for about 5 minutes. Bloom the spices. Add the garlic, chili powder, cumin, and smoked paprika. Stir constantly for 1 minute until it smells amazing. This wakes up the dried spices. Simmer. Pour in the chicken broth, diced tomatoes with their juices, and black beans. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes to let the flavors marry. Add the chicken. Stir in your shredded chicken. Since the chicken is already cooked, you're just heating it through, about 5 minutes. Finish, squeeze in the juice of half a lime to brighten everything up. Taste it. The ham is salty, so you might not need much extra salt. Toppings, the best part. A tortilla soup is only as good as its accessories. I recommend fresh avocado for creaminess to balance the ham, cilantro and lime wedges for a pop of freshness, shredded Monterey Jack to get that perfect cheese pull, tortilla strips. Add these at the very last second so they stay crunchy. Pro tip: if you want a thicker soup, take a handful of tortilla chips, crush them into fine dust, and stir them into the broth while it simmers. They act as a natural thickener.